Hey guys, welcome. Listen, we're going to do something a little bit different today. My wife has a 2015 Harley Sportster, and we got some Vance and Hines big radius. Vance and Hines, damn it, that's like Heinz ketchup. Vance and Hines big radius 2-in-2 exhaust that we're going to put on our 2015 Harley Sportster. And I think that bad boy is sitting right here. We're going to go ahead and get that knocked out for her. We want to video everything. I want to show you guys how to do it step by step. But I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've never done any work on her bike before, so it's going to be a learning experience for me as well as you. So stay tuned. All right, let's get this thing going. Oh yeah, having a motorcycle lift is the best investment I've ever made, even for just working on my own bikes. No more laying on the ground. Okay, so we are going to go ahead. We're going to pull off these bolts here, and a lot of this stuff down here that actually holds this exhaust system to the bike. And we're going to get that done right now. A friend of mine picked up exhaust for my wife's motorcycle, and he wound up picking up the wrong year exhaust, so it did not fit the bike. But lo and behold, we got Vance and Hines. Anyways, I just went ahead and got on Vance and Hines' website and decided to order my wife the exhaust that she wanted, and at least this way, instead of trying to save a couple bucks on it, I got the exhaust that would actually fit her year, make, and model. So let's get back to that video. Alright guys, as you can see, the stock exhaust has been removed from the bike. One thing you want to keep in mind is that on these fuel-injected motorcycles, there are oxygen sensors that are in the exhaust that get plugged into the wiring on the motorcycle itself. So once you get all the bolts loose and you get everything taken off, you got to make sure you unplug the O2 sensors. And here's a little trick. Not really a trick, just more like something that you need to remember. On the Vance and Hines big radius 2-in-2, if you look at this part right about there, see how big that is? Okay, so your oxygen sensor is not going to plug into that. You actually need, let me set this down real quick. You actually need a O2 sensor reducer. You can go to any Harley Davidson store, they got them. Basically, it's big on one end, and then small on the other end. This is so the factory O2 sensor can screw into it. This goes into the exhaust pipe, and it basically does exactly what the stock exhaust does, reads your emissions. So make sure you put these on. I just wanted to show you, there's a bracket on here that you have to remove this cover, okay? This cover right here, you're gonna wanna take it off. In order to do that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna loosen up the controls, your brake control. You can either take it completely off and out of the way, or you can do like I did, loosen it up and just kind of pull it down and out of the way. Because this bracket right here has to come off. There's a bolt here that I've already removed. There's one here and one here on this side. You have to be able to remove those to mount the new bracket in its location. This is what the stock sound is. Yeah, it's not very impressive, not at all. Let me rev that throttle up a little bit for you. Yeah. Wife's 2015 Sportster is a wrap, and she's getting ready to take her very first ride on it. So let's go ahead and get a good look at the bike and check out these new pipes, and then we can hear what it sounds like, see what she looks like riding away. I think she's happy. So anyways, this is me telling you, whether it's a 2015 or a 2003, anything can be upgraded. Anything.